Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here today for the Rachel Jefferies creative team. I'm working with a project mixed media kit from Rachel Jefferies and Lynn Grieveson called Sprout. And this was originally created for the Paper, Pixels, and Paint Substack subscription, and is now available to the public at thelilypad.com. And so I wanted to just show you real quick, first the photo that I'm using, and then these are the frames from this collection. This is a digital collection, and so I have created a background using digital elements and pattern papers, and then I have printed out some of the digital elements to create my hybrid layout. This is one of the tags from the kit, and I've added some of the mixed media word art on top of it. And then check out these gorgeous dimensional flowers. The colors in this collection are just so gentle and gorgeous to me. So this was a really fun collection to work with, and just seeing these elements printed just made my heart happy. That's the thing I love the most about hybrid scrapbooking, is just simply printing out these gorgeous elements. Here you can see my background. And so we'll get started here with the process. And what I wanted to do with these frames is, instead of using them as a frame per se, they're going to go behind the photo as a border. And then this is a digital fiber or ribbon kind of tab there. And so I've just stapled it like these are just found items in a box somewhere, found photos, clipped to random papers that you may not even know what the papers mean. And so on the background, I've created a little spot here next to the journaling for this cluster of frames and photo. And then I love this title word art sprout that goes underneath it. That is a great place for word strips directly next to the journaling. The idea for me of journaling and adding word strips like this is that every word that you add to your layout counts as journaling. It counts as part of the story. And to me, word strips are important for conveying more of the feelings that you have behind this photo. And just by the way, if you want to learn more about this kit and what its meaning is, subscribe to the Paper, Pixels, and Paint subscription. You'll receive the kit each month. You'll receive prompts and lots of inspiration from Rachel and from Lynn and the creative teams to help you create meaningful layouts just like this. Using these gorgeous kits. And so then here's how I'm using these florals. I'm going to go ahead and layer the green on, or the blue green teal onto the yellow, and positioning that tag so that it's kind of sticking out from behind the photo, and then those florals layered on top of the tag. And then, of course, notice how, as always, I'm just bending up the edges of the flowers a little bit. Notice with the pink florals, I printed those twice. One is slightly larger, and it's going to go underneath the smaller one. And I'm just creating some layering there, just to give even more depth and dimension onto this page. And remember, with hybrid mixed media, art journaling, scrapbooking, for me, it's about adding more and more layers and the illusion of layers. And you can really see that here, how it's come to life with the layers underneath on the background and then the layers on top of the page as well. And here's the completed layout. This was so much fun to create. I hope you've been inspired. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye.